Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issue when you want to download Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for ZTE Axon 30. So first let's try finding the game in our Google Play Store. But as you can see, there's no results. So let's fix this by going back, click on the profile picture, go to Settings, Family, Parental Controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or go for Apps and Games, enter the PIN code, click on OK, increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save the settings afterwards, go back, here try to find Call of Duty, and it should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.